Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from the United States to India through HDFC. Well, this process is going to be simple. Here we have the Remitly platform. We're going to register and open our account. Once our account is created, we'll go to settings here. And here we're going to go to the payment methods option. Here we need to add a payment method, either a card or a bank account, whatever is required here. After that, we'll return to the main page of Remitly, and here we'll make sure to select India as the destination country. Once selected, the platform will start loading, and well, here it will have finished loading. What we're going to do is click here where it says send money and wait for it to load. Here we're going to set an amount. The amount we set here will be displayed here in Indian currency. Here we will select the payment method, that is how we are going to pay, and then click continue. Once we click continue, it will immediately ask us to choose which payment method or delivery option we want to use to send the money to the person. We are going to choose the bank option, and we are going to look for HDFC, and that's the one we will use to send the money. We just need to keep entering the information here, and well, after entering it, we continue filling in the recipient's details until we reach the payment option. And that's it. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.